Welcome to PayPax step-by-step tutorial of PayPal to Dogecoin exchange. PayPax makes it possible to buy Dogecoin with PayPal online and at the best rates. To get started, visit paypax.io and log into your account if you already have one. Otherwise, choose to create a new account in less than a minute. On your account dashboard, click on Manual Exchange. Keep in mind that PayPal exchange orders are processed manually on PayPax in the shortest time possible. In the first step, you need to deposit PayPal to your PayPax USD account. Choose PayPal as the deposit method in the table. Now specify the amount and attention that the minimum deposit amount for PayPal is $100. At the bottom of the deposit request form, you need to provide your PayPal account information you want to make the payment with. Choose whether your account is verified or not, select the country, and enter the owner's name. Keep in mind that only verified PayPal accounts can deposit to PayPax and use exchange services, and PayPal orders are processed within 2 to 48 hours depending on your account level. Once you have entered all the required information, click on Deposit Funds. Now a ticket is created for your order automatically that explains the procedure and PayPax terms and conditions. You can also communicate with support through this ticket in case of any question. Access your orders ticket through the support center and then ticket section on your dashboard. When the invoice or PayPal address is sent to the email address associated with your PayPal account, the support team will inform you through a ticket and you need to make the payment. In up to 48 hours, your account balance on PayPax is updated, and in the next step you can choose to buy Dogecoin and withdraw to any desired destination. To buy Dogecoin, enter the Buy/Sell section, choose Dogecoin, specify the amount and confirm the purchase. Your order will be processed in a minute and you can hold your Dogecoin in your PayPax wallet or withdraw to any other destination. To withdraw Dogecoin, refer to the Wallet section, find Dogecoin and click on Withdraw. Fill the withdrawal form with the required information and confirm the transaction. Dogecoin withdrawal orders are processed automatically and do not take longer than a couple minutes depending on network congestion. Keep in mind to check the rates and amount limitation during the exchange and contact PayPax customer service at any time 24/7 via online chat or ticket in case of any question or problem. Thank you for choosing PayPax and staying tuned with us. If you are satisfied with PayPax services, share your positive feedback on Trustpilot and social media platforms to support us.